In this tutorial, we'll be looking at the 5 best ERP software that small and medium-sized businesses can use to manage finances, inventory, operations, and day-to-day workflow more efficiently. If you're running a growing business, choosing the right ERP system is important because it helps you streamline operations, reduce errors, and get real-time visibility into your performance. Now, here are a few things that makes a good ERP software. For example, it integrates modules for finance, inventory, sales, HR, and operations. Also, real-time reporting and dashboards, easy-to-use interface for teams, automation to reduce manual tasks, and also scalable features to grow with your business. Affordable pricing or modular plans, cloud access for remote or hybrid teams. Now that you have an idea of what are the criteria to look for, let's dive in. At number 5, we have ERPNext, an open source ERP that is surprisingly powerful for small and mid-sized businesses. Some standout features include accounting, sales, CRM, HR, and project management, inventory and manufacturing tools, and also cloud or self-hosted options. And if we were to talk about pros and cons, first, it is very flexible for different industries, affordable compared to most ERPs. The only pullback I would say is it requires some technical knowledge for setup, and interface is not as modern as the premium platforms, but it is perfect for businesses looking for a powerful, customizable, and budget-friendly ERP solution. And if we were to go onto their pricing plan, you can see that it starts off at $5 onward and it can go up to $200 per month. If we were to go onto number 4, now number 4 is Zoho One. Zoho One isn't marketed as a classic ERP, but it functions like an all-in-one business operating system, as it offers CRM, finance, HR, projects, help desks, and more in one subscription. Some standout features of Zoho One include strong inventory and order management, integrated CRM and finance tools, automation features for repetitive tasks, and if we were to talk about pros and cons, it is very affordable for SMBs, great for service, distribution, and wholesale companies. The only pullback I would say is it requires multiple Zoho apps to build your ERP, and it is not ideal for deep manufacturing needs. But it is perfect for small and medium-sized businesses that want a simple, cloud-based ERP system with strong automation. And if we were to check out their pricing, you can see that their monthly plan begins at $35 per month per employee, and it can go up to $90. And at number 3, we have Acumatica, a modern cloud ERP designed specifically for SMBs. Some key features include financials, CRM, inventory, and project accounting, industry-specific modules, and cloud-first architecture. If we were to talk about pros and cons of this platform, pros, it scales well as your business grows, user-friendly dashboard and reports. Only pullbacks I would say when it comes onto Acumatica based on research is the pricing varies based on usage and it requires onboarding support. But it is perfect for companies that want a flexible, modern ERP that can grow with them. We're getting closer to the top 2, including one of the most well-known ERP systems in the world, and another that integrates perfectly with everyday business tools. By the way, if you're finding this helpful so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and keep watching for the number 1. At number 2, we have NetSuite, a cloud-based ERP used worldwide by growing businesses. Some standout features include advanced financials and real-time dashboards, inventory, supply chain, and purchasing tools, built-in CRM and project management. And if we were to talk about the pros and cons of NetSuite, it is extremely powerful and scalable, great for multi-location or fast-growing SMBs. The only pullback I would say based on research, it has higher costs compared to other options, and the setup takes longer. But it is perfect for those that want a enterprise-level ERP performance in cloud-based package. And coming in at number 1, taking the top spot is Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. one of the most complete ERP systems for small and mid-sized businesses. Some standout features include accounting, purchasing, sales and operations, inventory and supply chain management, deep integration with Microsoft 365, Outlook, and Power BI. If we were to talk about pros and cons, it is very reliable and scalable, perfect for hybrid and remote teams using Microsoft tools. The only pullback is it requires setup time, and also the pricing can increase as you add modules. But it is perfect for SMBs that want a modern, unified ERP integrated directly with the Microsoft ecosystem. Talking about pricing, if we were to check out their pricing, you can see right here. While you can get started for free as they offer a 30-day free trial period, their pricing begins at $8 per month per user, and it can go up to $110 per month per user. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.